Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to log in Supercell ID Easy Guide. Open your game, go to Settings, and choose Supercell ID to start the process. Tap Sign In, enter your registered email address, and request the verification code. Check your email inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the game to authenticate. If you have multiple accounts, repeat this process for each account to switch quickly. If you hit a snag, stay calm and follow a few checks that usually fix login problems. Verify the email address you entered matches the one on your Supercell ID. Look in Spam and Promotions folders for the verification code email. If codes still don't arrive, restart the game and try again. When nothing works, contact Supercell support from the Settings menu and provide account details for recovery help. Protect your Supercell ID by using secure habits that reduce risk and stress. Choose a strong, unique password and avoid reusing it across services. Never share verification codes or login details with friends or strangers, since that risks account theft. Keep your recovery email up to date so you can regain access if needed. Regularly review connected devices and sign out from ones you no longer use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.